I'm just curious, what's been your biggest aha moment in your coaching career in terms of helping other coaches?
So to close it, one of the biggest aha moments for me, which when I say it, I don't think you'll get it in the same way, is that we live in the world of thought. That we live in the feeling of our thinking, linked to the idea that emotions are chemicals made by my own brain as a feedback mechanism that's just built-in GPS, building guiding mechanism that tells me and ensures me that wherever I find myself in this world, no matter where I wake up in this world, no matter what's happening around me, I will always know what's the right thing for me to do, because I have my own built-in guiding mechanism just for me. It's different from yours, different from anyone else's. So following my highest excitement to the best of my ability with no attachment to a specific outcome, that became a formula for life for me. Knowing that my thoughts are not real. They just seem real. They go through my nervous system and it makes this a very real experience. Knowing that it's just a thought is so liberating. So when somebody says I'm depressed, and I say to a real client, I go, no, you just think you are. Most clients go, yeah, right. And then, like I said, nothing. But those who get it right there, would you believe me? We don't need timeline after that. We don't need any traditional transformative tools that we have because they got it. They just laugh it off like, fuck. Because there's so much depth in that statement that most people don't hear it. I'm not good enough. I'm like, no, you just think that. And they realize somehow, sometimes the aha moment happens on a very deep level, just out of that statement. And they go, fuck, as in like, they just see it. They go, I'm thinking it. They make a very new relationship with the nature of thought. And they find themselves liberated in this world of thinking anything we want. With a built-in guiding mechanism that tells us in real time, instantly giving us feedback about how well we're doing with our thinking, and are we on the right path or are we off the path? Life becomes, it's not like you're going to wake up and have a ton of money suddenly, if you know what I mean. That understanding doesn't like do that for you directly in that moment. But what it does, instantly, it makes life way more gentle. Instantly, just makes it sweeter, richer, more fulfilling. And then if you stay on that path, feeling those things, guess what? The cars, the money, the relationships, everything that you're looking for that resonates with that new state of yours is coming your way. It's always been about you being in that state first. You got to believe it to see it. And, it's all same stuff. Be the change you want to see in the world. We got to become the things that we want to witness, experience. All right, I know you didn't ask any of that, so I'm going to move on.
No, I felt like I actually really needed to hear that. That's just opened and unlocked lots of things for me. Thank you.
So stay in this conversation.